Okay, so in this session we'll be talking about pages in a section, sections in a book, flats in a book, then lastly total, sections and flats. Flats, it may be optional. Alright, so these are the things that we'll be talking about in this session. Let me erase everything and then leave the sections in the book, pages in a section, sorry. So when you solve for your pages to view, right? So when I take this paper, it has a page 1 or A, and then at the back of it, it has a page 2 or B. Do you get it? So when I take this leaflet, right, it has 2 pages. Are we good? Okay. So when you come to estimation, every profession has its jargons and then others. So when you take this, we refer to one page, this page as flat, and then this page as another flat. Do you get it? And then the leaflet is termed as section. Do you get it? So when you take one section has 2 flats. Good. Alright, so just put this in mind. One section has 2 faces, 2 flats. Alright, so after solving for pages to view, we had 4. We are still building on the question that we had. We had 4. So with the 4 pages to view, and now we are solving for sections. So pages in a section. Do you get it? So that means it will be the pages to view times 4, because when I look at this is telling me that I have 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 to view. Do you get it? So this is the eye. The eye can see only 4 at the moment. Do you get it? So when I turn to the back of this, I should see the same 4. Do you get it? So that means 4 times 2. Then I get 8 pages in a section. Alright, okay, so think that's all for this, and then we move on to sections in a book. Sections in a book. Sections in a book. Alright, let's pay attention here. When I take this book, right, I take this book, it's made up of different sheets. Do you get it? Different sheets. So different sheets. So these sheets, when they come together, it gives me my textbook, right? Exercise book, any book, that brochure. When these pages, leaves comes together, they give me that. And then let's say this is Acula Math. right? And then we've produced about 2,000 of the Arceola, and they all have 64 pages. Approximately, we know that one leaflet has 2 pages, so when we divide this by 2, we have what? 3, 2. So that means we have 32 leaves, right? Are we okay? Alright, so that means every Arceola book consists of 32 leaves. Okay, and then we are doing something, and then every Arceola book consists of 32 leaves, 64 pages, right? Okay, so we know that pages is the same as flats, right? And then leaves same as section. So that means when we take one book, it has what? 32 sections, 64 flats. And then earlier we solved, and then we said we have 4 pages to view. Do you get it? 4 pages to what? To view. And then in a section we have what? 8 pages in a section. Do you get it? So we can equally divide this by the 8 to get the total number of sections, because we know the pages, we don't know the section. Do you get it? So if you want to solve for this, all you need to do is you divide the pages in the book to be produced by the pages in a section. And I said Arceola is made up of 64 pages, right? So that means one Arceola now you be producing is made up of 64 pages. And then how many pages did we get in a section? 8 pages in a section, because we had 4 pages to view and then 8 in a section. So here 1, here, what's the answer? So let me go the way down suffer. So 20 here, 4, here 32, here 2, here 16, here 1, here 8. So that means we have 8 sections in a book. All right, so let me break this down. Let's jot this thing somewhere. Okay, so let me write this here. Pages to view. 4 pages in a section. 8 sections in a book. 8, right? Okay, so when we come here, that means we have 4 pages to view, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 8 pages in a section, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you get it? So these two give me one section. Are you okay? And then we need, so this is the 8 pages in a section, 8 pages in a section, in one section. And then when we come here, sections in a book, that means when we take one book, when we take one book should consist of this 4 pages to view, one. So this is one section, another 4 pages to view, and then its backs is 4 pages to view, 2, 4 pages to view, 4 pages to view, its backs 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then the last one. So let's say 8. Yes. So yes. So that means this book consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. Do you get it? All right. So if I'm coming to flats in a book, right, I know that this is one section, this is another section, this is another section. So you let me take my time to draw all of them. 8 the indoors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, Albroso. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is one section, 2 sections, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you get it? Okay, so this is the 8. When I come to flats, when I take one section, it has 1, 2 flats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that means when I come here, I have 16 flats. Yes, so that means just multiply the 8 by 2 to get 16 as your total number of flats, and then you are done. So when we come to total number of sections, right, you should know total quantity, total copies. Book dodo intebia, this Akiola 64 pages, you are producing 10,000, right? We know that one is having 8 sections. One book has 8 sections. Anyway, 10,000. So that means 10,000 you now will need what? 8 sections. Do you get it? So what you need to do is multiply the sections in a book by quantity, total quantity. Do you get it? So that will be 8 sections times 1,000 copies. Ni enya saying 8,000 sections for the whole book. Into say ye twitwa we na e benya saying 10,000 copies. Into uba total number of flats and so that will be 8,000 times 2. When you're saying 16,000. 16,000. That will be all.